The promise of vaccines, a shield for humanity. Vaccines are one of the greatest triumphs of modern medicine. They protect us from deadly diseases. Vaccines save millions of lives each year. They work by training our immune systems. Our bodies learn to fight off specific viruses and bacteria. Before vaccines, these diseases ran rampant. Smallpox, polio, and measles caused widespread suffering. These diseases led to countless deaths, especially among children. Vaccines have dramatically reduced these threats. Some diseases are even close to eradication. The rapid development of COVID-19 vaccines is a testament to scientific progress. These vaccines have provided hope. They have saved lives during a global pandemic. This achievement highlights the importance of vaccines. It shows their potential to combat emerging health threats. Vaccines are not just about individual protection, they are crucial for public health. When enough people are vaccinated, it creates herd immunity. This protection shields those who cannot be vaccinated. These include infants, pregnant women, and people with certain medical conditions. The birth of a vaccine, from idea to experimentation. Developing a vaccine is a complex and meticulous process. It begins with identifying the target virus or bacteria. Scientists study the pathogen. Their goal is to understand its structure and behavior. They look for specific components that trigger an immune response. The next step is to create a weakened or inactive version of the pathogen. This weakened form will be used in the vaccine. Scientists want to ensure that it cannot cause disease. However, it must still be able to stimulate the immune system. Once the vaccine candidate is developed, rigorous testing begins. This testing starts in the laboratory. Scientists conduct experiments on cells and animals. They evaluate the vaccine's safety and effectiveness. They look for any potential side effects. This initial research and development phase is critical. It lays the foundation for clinical trials. These trials involve testing the vaccine in humans. This step is essential to ensure that the vaccine is safe and effective for widespread use. Clinical trials, ensuring safety and efficacy in stages. Clinical trials are a cornerstone of vaccine development. They involve testing the vaccine in human volunteers. These trials are conducted in phases. Each phase has a specific purpose and increasing number of participants. Phase 1 trials focus on safety. Researchers evaluate the vaccine in a small group of healthy volunteers. The goal is to identify any immediate side effects. They also study how the vaccine triggers the immune system. Phase 2 trials expand the testing to a larger group. Researchers continue to monitor safety and gather data on effectiveness. Phase 3 trials involve thousands of participants. They compare the vaccine to a placebo or existing treatment. This data helps determine if the vaccine is effective. Throughout all phases, safety monitoring is paramount. Researchers carefully track any side effects. They report their findings to regulatory agencies for approval. The green light regulatory approval and quality control. Once the clinical trials are complete, the vaccine developer submits their data to regulatory agencies. These agencies have the critical task of reviewing the trial results. They scrutinize the data to make sure the vaccine is safe and effective. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, is one such agency. Their team of scientists, statisticians, and physicians rigorously analyze the data. They look for any red flags that might indicate safety concerns. They evaluate the vaccine's efficacy in preventing the target disease. If the regulatory agency approves the vaccine, it can then be manufactured and distributed. However, the process doesn't end there. Stringent quality control measures are in place throughout the entire process. From the initial production of the vaccine to its final packaging, each step is carefully monitored. This ensures that every batch of vaccine meets the highest standards of safety, purity, and potency. Section 5. Manufacturing marvel, producing billions of doses. Manufacturing vaccines is a complex and large-scale endeavor. It requires specialized facilities and expertise. Once a vaccine is approved, production must be scaled up rapidly to meet global demand. This often involves partnering with other pharmaceutical companies. The process starts with producing large quantities of the vaccine itself. This might involve growing viruses in cell cultures or using recombinant DNA technology. The vaccine then undergoes multiple purification steps. This removes any impurities and ensures the final product is safe for human use. Once the vaccine is purified, it is formulated with other ingredients. These might include preservatives, stabilizers, or adjuvants. Preservatives help prevent contamination. Stabilizers ensure the vaccine remains effective during storage and transportation. Adjuvants enhance the immune response. The final step is filling vials or syringes with the vaccine and packaging them for distribution. This entire process must adhere to strict quality control measures to maintain the vaccine's safety and potency. Section 6. A race against time. The complexities of global distribution. Distributing vaccines globally presents a logistical challenge, especially during a pandemic. It requires coordination between governments, health organizations, and transportation providers. The goal is to get vaccines to the people who need them most, as quickly and safely as possible. Maintaining the cold chain is crucial. Many vaccines require refrigeration from manufacture to administration. This necessitates specialized transportation and storage facilities. Ensuring equitable access to vaccines is another challenge. High-income countries often secure large quantities of vaccines up front. Low- and middle-income countries may struggle to obtain vaccines. This disparity can prolong the pandemic. Overcoming vaccine hesitancy is another hurdle. Misinformation and distrust can hinder vaccination efforts. It's crucial to address concerns and build trust in vaccines within communities. Section 7. The cold chain maintaining vaccine potency during transport. The cold chain is a system of maintaining a constant temperature range during the transport and storage of vaccines. It is crucial for preserving vaccine potency and preventing spoilage. Most vaccines are sensitive to heat and light and can become less effective if exposed to extreme temperatures. The cold chain begins at the manufacturing facility. Vaccines are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses and transported in refrigerated trucks or specialized containers. These containers are equipped with temperature monitors to ensure the vaccine remains within the required range. Upon arrival at healthcare facilities, vaccines are stored in dedicated refrigerators with temperature monitoring systems. Healthcare workers are trained on proper vaccine handling and storage procedures. They regularly check and record temperatures to ensure the cold chain is maintained. Maintaining the cold chain, particularly in remote areas with limited infrastructure, can be challenging. However, it is essential for ensuring that vaccines reach their destinations safely and effectively. Section 8. Reaching every corner: equitable access and overcoming hesitancy. Ensuring equitable access to vaccines is paramount for global health. It's not enough to have vaccines available. They must be accessible to everyone who needs them, regardless of their geographical location or socioeconomic status. Initiatives like COVAX, co-led by the World Health Organization, aim to accelerate the development and manufacture of COVID-19 vaccines. They work to ensure equitable access to these vaccines for all countries. Beyond logistics, addressing vaccine hesitancy is crucial. Misinformation and distrust can fuel hesitancy. Public health campaigns must provide accurate information, address concerns, and build trust in vaccines. Community engagement is key. We need to involve trusted voices, like healthcare providers and community leaders. They can effectively communicate the benefits of vaccination. Section 9. A triumph of science: the rapid development of COVID-19 vaccines. The rapid development of COVID-19 vaccines is a testament to scientific ingenuity and global collaboration. Never before have vaccines been developed and deployed so quickly during a pandemic. This achievement has saved countless lives and offers hope for a healthier future. Several factors contributed to this success. Years of research on mRNA vaccines laid the groundwork for their rapid development. Global collaboration and data sharing among scientists expedited the research process. Governments and private companies invested heavily in vaccine development and manufacturing, accelerating the timeline. The COVID-19 vaccines are a testament to the power of science. They have shown that rapid vaccine development is possible. This breakthrough offers hope for combating future pandemics and other infectious diseases. Section 10. The future of vaccines, advancements, and eradication goals. The future of vaccines is brimming with possibilities. Scientists are developing safer and more effective vaccines. These advancements could eradicate more diseases. mRNA vaccine technology is promising. Success against COVID-19 paves the way for other diseases. These vaccines can be developed quickly. They offer greater efficacy and fewer side effects. The ultimate goal is disease eradication. We have already eradicated smallpox. We are close to eradicating polio. Section 11. A healthier tomorrow, the enduring impact of vaccination. Vaccines have had a profound and enduring impact on global health. They have saved millions of lives, prevented countless illnesses, and transformed the way we approach disease prevention. As we look to the future, vaccines offer hope for a healthier tomorrow. By continuing to invest in vaccine research, development, and distribution, we can protect future generations from preventable diseases. We can strive to eradicate more diseases and create a world where everyone has the opportunity to live a long and healthy life. Vaccines are a testament to the power of science and human ingenuity. They are a symbol of hope and a reminder that together we can overcome even the most daunting health challenges. By embracing vaccination, we are not only protecting ourselves but also building a healthier future for all.